This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This You Love Cool item stick is undoubtedly shockingly good at what it does. Stop scrolling right now. The engineering behind thsi unit is brilliant, ensuring that it works exactly as advertised. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it saves you so much time. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, thsi is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere today without any delay. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This You Love Cool item stick is undoubtedly shockingly good at what it does. Stop scrolling right now. The engineering behind thsi unit is brilliant, ensuring that it works exactly as advertised. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely